anniversary edition models transcend the realm of mere motorcycles. They meticulously recreate the iconic three-colored livery of the championship-winning CXR7. Every intricate detail from the silver-painted parts, emulating aluminum to the lime green wheels, is crafted to transport you back to the historic victories on the racetrack. Take note of the special three-color design on the fuel tanks, the 40th anniversary emblem evoking 80s racing scenes, and the meticulous reproduction of logos and fonts from that golden era. These limited edition Ninja models are more than a nod to the past. They're a vibrant celebration of Kawasaki's relentless pursuit of excellence. In the Philippines, this new colorway will be available in limited stocks only. Seize the opportunity to own a piece of history. Don't let it slip away.